you have worked with international brands,
Yes.
Lamborghini recently.
Yes.
So, how's the pressure when such big brands are involved?
Till date, I think मैं अभी तक around 100 events is what I've done.
All right.
Till date,
ठीक है,
yes.
ठीक है.
From last 1.5 2 years, I've been doing events very seriously.
आज कोई young creator है,
Hmm.
they have a good following,
Yeah.
30,000, 40,000, 50,000 following, and they are not getting any brand collabs. So what are they doing wrong? कि उन्हें brands नहीं आ रहे हैं.
Depends. Maybe they're not consistent. Firstly, consistency plays key when you are a creator. Secondly, it can be that maybe they're not able to judge the kind of audience they have.
The niche is not
The
selective.
niche.
Right.
They're not able to understand what niche their audience likes or what is the content their audience likes
Right.
on their behalf. I do 60% of what my audience likes.
Okay.
Say a bifurcation of 20% of experimental content and 20% of what I want to do. Like
Alright.
what I want to put across.
I want to put right.
So that 100%, that breakdown is very important to knowing like what your audience would prefer,
You should
knowing
know
your
your
niche,
content.
knowing what your audience likes from you. That is very important.
हेलो एवरीवन एंड वेलकम टू रियलिटी टॉक्स. आज हमारे साथ है मिस नाज अरोड़ा.
Hi,
कैसे हो आप?
very well. How are you?
आई एम ऑल गुड.
Congratulations on 100K.
थैंक यू सो मच. आई वांटेड टू स्टार्ट विद योर जर्नी. सबसे पहले तो कैसे हो आप? अभी कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ पे आके स्टूडियो में आके?
मैं podcasts बहुत कम करती हूँ. I think the last podcast I did was 2 years ago when the
अच्छा.
trend of podcasts
Started.
boomed, yeah,
Right.
started.
Hmm.
So this is I think my second or third podcast till date. I
Okay.
do not go to podcasts.
अच्छा, तो आई एम लकी टू हैव
Yes.
यू.
You can say it.
हाँ. Okay, so I'll start with the journey.
Yes.
How did you enter into the पहले events की बात करेंगे.
Okay.
How did you enter into the event industry? सबसे पहले event कौन सा था?
Mm. So the first event I did was with a beauty brand
Okay.
called Clinique.
ठीक है.
So Clinique is a very well-renowned skincare brand, international Elka owned brand, right? So I started with them. They just happened to ask me if I would like to do guest listing for an event.
Guest listing. Okay.
Yes. So guest listing is where you invite your friends, your family, your contacts overall for an event.
All right.
That's how I started. I started as a guest lister, but I was also a content creator. So I had decent people around me. We did good sales.
Okay.
And that was my first event. But I took it very casually. I did not know this was also a thing.
Right.
Like guest listing, getting paid for doing it, and the events. So I had no clue about it.
All right.
Then 6 months later, another brand approached me. So I did it again. Then eventually, I turned into an event curator,
Okay.
then PR agency. So that's how my journey started.
All right. So you were a content creator first, और
Yes.
उसके बाद से you started these things.
Yes. So
ठीक है.
I started creating content in, I believe, 2015, somewhere around that.
11 साल.
हाँ.
All right. ठीक है. Okay.
Yes.
So सबसे बड़ा इवेंट,
हाँ.
सबसे पहला बड़ा इवेंट कब आया और कैसे आया?
Actually, Clinique is a very good
हाँ जी.
international brand.
Right,
So
right,
मेरा
right,
first event ही बड़ा था.
बड़ा था.
हाँ.
स्टार्टिंग की बिग से हुई.
Yes.
Okay.
Because as a creator, I already had created a niche for myself. I was already doing fashion, beauty content. So
ठीक है.
it was there. Like
Right.
my name was pretty known in my region.
Right, right, right,
So
right.
yeah.
ठीक है. तो पहली बार हुआ. There must have been some mistakes. कुछ ऐसा लगा होगा, कुछ chaos हुआ होगा, या अभी भी कुछ होता होगा. तो can you give insights on some behind the scenes chaos जो events के पीछे होते हैं?
Till date, I think मैं अभी तक
हाँ.
around 100 events is what I've done.
All right.
Till date, yes.
ठीक है. ठीक है.
From last 1.5 2 years, I've been doing events very seriously. So must have done around 100 events. So I just don't work in Chandigarh and around, but I have also expanded to Delhi
All right.
as an agency, as a event curator, everything. So I work in pan like north, all of north. You
North
can
India,
say
right.
North India,
ठीक है.
yes. Because I've done events in Ludhiana, I've done events in Jalandhar, Amritsar, all of these Punjab-based cities as well.
ठीक है.
So that's how I can say that I've worked
Hmm.
Pan Punjab, and then Delhi as a market. But
All
now we are
right.
expanding all over
ठीक है.
because as an agency, you need to widen your
Right.
horizon.
Right. Right. Right.
And I have seen a lot of the agencies are already very dominating
Hmm.
in the PR sector,
Hmm.
which is what I would like to change, because as a creator, I face a lot of issue with agencies coming back to the same people, not
Hmm.
even trying with someone who is new,
Right.
which is something I feel a big gap.
Hmm.
Like it's a big gap in the sense that you are not giving new talent
Hmm.
an opportunity also to become a brand face or a brand friend in
Right.
any sense.
Right.
And as a new person,
Hmm.
like when I was new,
Hmm.
I used to feel that lack. Like
Hmm.
if you don't have a godfather, you're not new, you won't be able to make money out of it. You won't be able to, even if X amount of effort you're putting in,
Hmm.
you won't be able to get any positive result out of it. All you were getting were just like maybe little PR
Hmm.
once in a while,
Hmm.
because the agencies were so particular about the old people
Right.
being there.
Right.
So as a new age PR agency and
Hmm.
an event company,
Hmm.
I believe in getting new people on board.
Right.
With every event or with every PR activity that we do,
Hmm.
we make sure we at least inculcate 2 to 3 good new talents
Okay.
and give them an opportunity to work.
To work. Right.
Yes.
Right. Right. Right.
Firstly, if they don't even get that opportunity, that's where I become like the older agencies.
अच्छा.
Yes.
ठीक है.
Where you're letting just the already highlighted talent be
Hmm.
highlighted.
Hmm. 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 Hmm.
But when it comes to us, we give them opportunity.
Right.
We try and open doors with them. And
Hmm.
also sometimes people even with like say 10,000 following,
Okay.
but they have a very decent and honest clientele.
Right. Hmm.
Like as an influencer, they work their magic.
Hmm.
Even if you believe in 10,000 people, if 20 people are buying product on your recommendation, whether
That's
it's
really
a
great thing.
cloth, whether it's makeup,
Hmm.
skincare, anything, I believe that is where your power lies.
Power lines. Right.
Eventually you're building a community out
The
of it.
conversion rate
Yes,
matters.
conversion rate matters, and
Hmm.
I believe that new talent should be given an opportunity.
Hmm.
And when today's like generation,
Hmm.
they're so good at what they do.
Right.
Like they won't do a lot, they will
Hmm.
just say no for a no,
Hmm.
yes for a yes, and that is how I like it.
Right.
Like being very transparent about
Hmm.
things.
Hmm.
Even when I personally deal with clients, I am very much like, I can provide this,
Hmm.
but if you think this and I cannot do it, I will not promise.
Hmm.
I will just do what I can promise.
Right.
And I can deliver at the same time.
Hmm.
Not
Hmm.
just promise, just deliver the same thing.
Deliver the same thing.
That's what matters.
All right. You have worked with international brands,
Yes.
Lamborghini recently.
Yes.
So, how's the pressure when such big brands are involved?
Ah, pressure happens with every event.
Okay.
Every PR activity we take up, any and everything adds up to the pressure.
Hmm.
I feel the same level of anxiety that I used to feel, with that I felt on my first event. Till date, it's the same.
Okay.
Like till the time people actually start showing up,
Ha, ha,
it's just there.
right.
And eventually, by the time the event gets over, that's when my anxiety also gets
Goes
over.
down. Okay.
Yeah.
तो सबसे क्रेजी चीज क्या हुई है किसी इवेंट पे? तो मतलब योर मे इट मे बी द बेस्ट, मे बी द वर्स्ट, बट क्रेजी कि हाँ चाहिए कैसे ये क्या हो गया?
Yeah, when the opportunity for you just started with the
Hmm.
Lamborghini topic, when the
Hmm.
opportunity came to me,
Hmm.
I firstly couldn't believe that being like a
हाँ.
PR agency which is so rooted like
Right.
in our area,
Right.
I would firstly get that opportunity, like
Hmm.
where my team is taking or the brand is taking international approvals for us,
Wow.
like to get everything proper
Hmm.
according to their rules and regime, right? I couldn't believe that I could crack this also,
Right.
but it was just like I hit the bullseye with it.
Huh.
Somehow
Huh.
God had been kind, like I just tried and it happened.
Wow.
So that's where I believe magic
Hmm.
lies. Like you should never give up on
Hmm.
the opportunity.
Hmm.
At least try.
Hmm.
I never thought that they would be okay working with us firstly.
Okay.
I thought क्या ही मुझे क्यों ही करेंगे,
हाँ.
मतलब वो होता है ना, because how do you I am at the end myself, I am a fashion beauty
Hmm.
creator, right?
Hmm.
And after the Lamborghini event, rather my doors as a creator also opened up.
Right.
Like I have worked with Lamborghini, Harley Davidson. We
Hmm.
did an event for Harley Davidson. We
Okay.
launched India's first CVO.
All right.
So there had been no CVO in India till date. And
Okay.
Harley is a pretty old brand. Like
Right.
they have amazing stores all
Hmm.
over. So to get and do the launch of India's first CVO, that in itself was a very big
Big
deal.
thing. Right.
And we had bikers, we had people
Hmm.
doing rally. So it was shocking, but beautifully shocking, I can
Beautifully
say.
shocking.
Yes.
Right.
So working
Uh,
with big brands shows that you have more potential even after
hmm.
living in a second tier city.
Right.
It shows that people from here can be equally, they can have equal opportunities as what people in Delhi, Bombay,
Hmm.
or metro cities have.
Hmm.
You just need to work on your strengths. You need
Right.
to keep putting that, like, that effort that is
Hmm.
required.
But I also think कि Chandigarh is now a tier in that group, in
Yeah.
that club of Delhi, Gurugram. It
Yes.
is in there. तो
It is
इसीलिए
in
शायद.
there,
Hmm.
but still it is considered a second tier market,
Hmm.
because if you see when brands open,
Hmm.
their first target is never Chandigarh.
Right.
Until and unless it's a local person's brand, Chandigarh is not their first target.
International brands don't
Yes,
come here.
rather if you go by the shopping capacity, if I can say it, I because I've done a lot of events on similar lines. Chandigarh has a great shopping capacity.
Okay.
Great shopping capacity.
Hmm.
Like if people want to buy, they will blatantly buy.
Okay.
Even like they will just save and also buy.
अच्छा.
Ha. This is the market that Chandigarh holds,
Hmm.
which was I also discovered over a period of time.
Hmm.
But then it is so beautifully shocking at the same time that our city people are so experimental. They're okay trying new
Hmm.
stuff,
Hmm.
new products, new brands, and they're not far behind from any people of any metro city or any international country at the same time, because Chandigarh equally has amazing brands now.
Right.
And with every day, like literally, we have new brands coming up.
Hmm.
We have seasoned brands like the ones at Shark Tank also opening their stores in Chandigarh.
Right.
So it shows that our city has so much potential. And as a marketing and PR person and an event person myself, I can very hopefully say that in future I am thinking things would get more brighter
Hmm.
and on a better side for Chandigarh.
Right.
Yeah, with bigger and better brands. Some time, like
Hmm.
in every gap of time, we'll have
Right.
better and bigger brands.
Right.
Yeah.
Chandigarh is a very charming city. जैसे I've been to various cities overall, but
Yeah.
मतलब they're very boring. अगर हम कहीं
Yeah.
भी जाए ना इतना मजा नहीं आता, but Chandigarh is something different. You get a lot of
Yes.
fun है, street
हाँ.
food है, cafes हैं, clubs
हाँ,
हैं, the
हाँ.
crowd is very great
हाँ.
here. तो Chandigarh is something different in that
हाँ.
sense. जैसे brands की बात करें, shopping की बात
हम्म.
करें, and also I see कि चंडीगढ़ की कैपेसिटी की बात की आपने, एंड दिस इज अ पंजाब थिंग आई गेस
Yeah.
कि लुधियाना आई हैव सीन लुधियाना में कितनी लोग कैपेसिटी है, तो दैट्स अ पंजाब
ओपन
थिंग.
हार्टेड है ना,
ओपन हार्टेड है.
ओपन हार्टेड है. अगर
राइट.
पता है कर सकते हैं तो कर
हाँ,
लेंगे,
कर
ट्राई भी
लेंगे,
करेंगे.
कर लेंगे.
और बहुत खुशी से करते हैं.
हम्म.
They have no regrets about
राइट
it.
राइट
And that
राइट.
is actually the best
द
part.
बेस्ट थिंग.
They want to try, they want to experiment, which
Hmm.
is what I like.
Right. So, talking about influencers again, as a PR agency,
Hmm.
how has influencer marketing or how have influencers changed the way brands work and promotions work today?
See, personally, I have seen if you're a good influencer, your
Hmm.
influence is very high
Hmm.
in the sense that, like I was telling you, the rate of conversion,
Right.
the ROI on an influencer,
Hmm.
that really shows up.
Hmm.
But you really need to keep building on that. Content is a game which
Hmm.
is about consistency.
Right.
It's not about आपने आज शूट किया, आप आज डाल रहे हो, then you're putting it up stuff 10 weeks
हाँ,
later
वो
or
नहीं काम
10
करेगा.
days later.
Hmm.
That gap doesn't work.
Right.
If you're on community building,
Hmm.
you do it constantly.
Constantly. Right.
You probably can take a day or two break in the
Hmm.
middle, but not like 10 days,
Hmm.
15 days. Content is a game where it is a full-time job.
Right.
As a creator, you're constantly on the go.
बिल्कुल सही
You
बात.
are attending brand events, you are doing your shoots,
Hmm.
you are even working on a Sunday, which
Hmm.
people want an off on.
Today is Saturday.
Yeah, So like we're working every now and then.
Right.
So we do not have a 9 to 5 कि सुबह गए
Hmm.
शाम को छुट्टी. No,
Hmm.
that's not the case with us. We
24/7
are
काम
we are
करना.
we are actually working more than a usual time.
Right.
That is why if you see a lot of creators have messed up mental health because
Hmm.
they're overworking.
Right.
They're always delivering.
बिल्कुल
And
सही
how
बात है.
brands keep and PR agencies keep pushing you on deadlines which are not actually existent. I have personally faced this with so many PR agencies
Hmm.
that they're giving you a deadline.
Hmm.
But then आपने shoot कर दिया, आपने edit कर दिया, they stop responding.
Okay.
They stop responding and they would reply after like say a week or so
Hmm.
कि हाँ अब इसमें ये change कर दो. How long do you expect a person to be stuck on the same rut?
Right.
Like to constantly text you and
Hmm.
message you about it, like कि अब बता दो, what is it, how do we go about it? And as humans, creators also get annoyed.
Right. It
It
gets
is
annoying
human
after some
nature.
time. Right.
Like you need to respond on time when you're
Hmm.
giving us a deadline
Hmm.
and we have delivered our part.
Right.
Now the next half where the approvals are there or something, it is your responsibility.
Right.
You should tell them that
Hmm.
it'll say take 4-5 days for them to
Hmm.
revert back.
Right.
At least let them know.
Hmm.
And how PR, like whatever people who work with me,
Hmm.
I tell them never to be rude with a creator.
Right.
Because I personally feel as a creator, a lot of times agencies get so rude to you.
Right. They do.
And they mistreat you because
Hmm.
they know they are the paying ones.
Hmm.
Actually they are not paying us. Actually the brand is paying us.
The brand is paying us.
But then they get so rude to a point where it feels like हमारी कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं है.
काम करने का मन नहीं
हाँ,
करता फिर.
काम करने का ही मतलब है उनको.
Right. Right.
So that is something where I strictly tell people who work with me
Hmm.
or who work at my firm that you need to change this attitude.
Hmm.
You cannot be rude to them. You can tell them the brand has requested for say a day or two.
Right.
And on a human level, we creators are that adjusting also.
हाँ, we can do that.
हाँ,
A day
and
or two is fine.
it is okay.
Hmm.
Sometimes things get delayed. It's fine.
Hmm.
But at least if you're answering them nicely,
हाँ जी.
that's what makes the difference. It makes
Right.
you a better human being, firstly, more than them being a good creator.
Right. Right. Right.
They are anyways going to adjust with you because they
Hmm.
also know कि उनको payment चाहिए आने वाले
चाहिए.
time में.
Hmm.
So if you're informing them, 99% a creator would not be rude to you.
Right. Creators are never rude, I guess. कि इतना नहीं होता.
It
Mostly.
subjectively,
हाँ. Right.
because I feel every human is different.
हाँ.
Some
That's the
people
thing.
also have success to their head.
Hmm.
So that's a different story.
Right. Right.
But
Right.
99% is that way when you're speaking to someone
Hmm.
politely on a
Hmm.
general
Hmm.
note also,
Hmm.
you will feel that.
But I also feel like creators have media training. They don't. They are naturally not rude when they talk to their fan or interact somewhere. So they are not.
Fans is
हाँ.
different.
But हाँ,
PR
PR is
agency
different.
is different.
Right. Right. Right.
So that is where the norm is different.
Right.
That is what we are trying to break all stereotypical norms, if I can put it across like that, as an agency owner.
Right.
Like I'm trying to work with new talents constantly. Like we do not pre-select profiles. We
Okay.
actually send the brand profiles.
All right.
Like you do the decision making. You choose.
Okay.
We give them that opportunity, and sometimes we purposely push new profiles so that the brand can also see how much talent there is. Because there's an abundance of talent. And in the upcoming times, maximum people will shift to the creator business also, no matter if you have a regular business or
Right.
not.
Right. I also feel like influencer marketing is going to take over traditional marketing.
Yes,
Banners,
100%.
they are going over.
It already somehow
Right.
has.
Right. Right.
Like when today I pitch clients or when I talk to them about launching a certain new thing, they have more creator budgets than they have traditional marketing budgets. That is how the differences have been already. They are already visible.
Right.
If you see media, paper marketing, all of that, that has taken a backseat now.
Right. Right.
Only bigger brands are doing it. But when you see the smaller brands, they're ready to spend on creators, but not on traditional media.
Right.
So that is like a
Thing.
stereotypical thing that has, it's reversing. It's going back.
सही बात है.
Yeah.
Also talking about the brand part, ये creators की बात होगी. When brands get premium, like
Hmm.
for example talking about Lamborghini
Hmm.
again, जब Lamborghini में approach किया, तो their demands would have been really different from other traditional brands or normal brands. So what is the difference working with a premium brand like Lamborghini and a normal local brand? आपको क्या difference feel हुआ?
Um, See, when you work with the luxury
Hmm.
brands, firstly, that's not a premium
A
brand.
luxury brand.
Yes,
All right.
premium is a little lower than
हम्म.
luxury.
ठीक है.
Luxury is more like a top tier brand.
Top.
So, working with a luxury brand comes with their own rules.
All right.
You know, everything is literally followed by the paper. Like,
Very
if they have
detailed.
to contact their heads,
हम्म.
their international teams, they will do all of that. They
Okay.
will go by the rule.
हम्म.
They will not be like, अच्छा ये हो रहा है कर लो. Nah,
हाँ, हाँ, हाँ.
they go by the rules.
All
They
right.
go by their book.
Hmm.
That's how they go.
So very detailed and very precise
Yes,
thing.
very precise, very
Mm-hmm.
precise about like even where their logo placement is. Like little details.
All
This is
right.
just an example.
Hmm.
Like very minor details is what they would also look at.
All
Their
right.
fonts, their logos, minor details. Even a basic invite, like that also they'll check.
Okay.
Yeah.
ठीक है. तो what is the your favorite experience with a brand? सबसे अच्छा experience क्या रहा है किसी brand के साथ?
I think I had pretty much fun doing the Harley Davidson CVO launch.
Okay.
Because firstly, I have done bike tours earlier.
Hmm.
I launched this cafe in Ludhiana with Ranvijay Singh, the
All right.
roadies guy.
Right.
So we launched it there. So that was the first time I experienced like a bike ride situation.
ठीक है.
But then when we did Lamborghini, then when we did Harley, you know, it actually showed how the real life bikers are. How what aura they have,
Personalities.
their personality.
Right.
They're way different from any non-biker.
All right.
Very different. Their personality is very candid. They're fun. They're not
Okay.
boring at all.
अच्छा.
Like
हाँ.
that element is there.
All right. आज कोई यंग क्रिएटर है, they have a good following,
Yeah.
30,000, 40,000, 50,000 following,
Hmm.
and they are not getting any brand collabs.
Hmm.
So what are they doing wrong कि उन्हें brands नहीं आ रहे हैं?
Depends. Maybe they're not consistent. Firstly, consistency plays key when you are a creator. Secondly, it can be that maybe they're not able to judge the kind of audience they have.
The niche is not
The
selective.
niche.
Right.
They're not able to understand what niche their audience likes or what is the content their audience likes
Right.
on their behalf. Like if personally you consider me as a creator, like if when I see my profile, I do 60% of what my audience likes.
Okay.
Say a bifurcation of 20% of experimental content and 20% of what I want to do. Like
Alright.
what I want to put across.
I want to put right.
So that 100%, that breakdown is very important to knowing like what your audience would prefer.
Would prefer.
Yes.
Right.
Knowing that is very important as a
Very.
creator because sometimes they might not be able to relate to you on whatever you are trying to show them. Maybe they don't see you in that light. Maybe you're just pushing the thing because you like it. But at the end, if you're creating,
Right.
it should give you some form of
Satisfaction.
result or satisfaction.
Right.
Right? Even if it's mental peace, I believe you're getting out of it. But you should know what you're putting across.
Right.
So that is very important.
You should
Knowing
know
your
your
niche,
content.
knowing what your audience likes from you. That is very important.
That also comes from experience, right? अगर हम एक साल से content post कर रहे हैं, तो
हाँ.
we kind of have an intuition of what people will like.
Yeah,
That
absolutely.
happens.
Absolutely.
Okay. Moving to restaurants again.
Yes.
What is the biggest risk behind opening up a luxury or a premium restaurant with a big token size?
I believe if it's not marketed well, that is where you draw back because Chandigarh market very specifically. I'm just giving you an example.
Very saturated in restaurants.
It's saturated. Secondly, Chandigarh audience, Mohali audience, they have this thing like after every 2 years, they are bored of that
Right.
particular chain.
Right.
So they want a change. If you are not able to bring that newness, this market is not for you. Delhi, because the population is very high, you will
Right.
still be able to survive in the business,
Hmm.
but not here.
Okay.
Here, you have to bring that constant change, the newness
Hmm.
has to be there.
Hmm.
Because I have seen opening of some great chains and then them shutting down in say 6 months because they are not able to pull that crowd.
All right.
One, can I name a
हाँ,
brand?
no worries.
R-
If it's already gone तो कर दो कोई दिक्कत नहीं.
हाँ,
हाँ.
like Fuzzy Cafe.
All right.
It's a big chain. It's a
Hmm.
good chain.
Hmm.
They opened up in Chandigarh and they shut down in no time.
All right.
No time. They couldn't survive the market.
Hmm.
So you should know your market.
Know your market.
Ha. So
Hmm.
if you feel like just
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, हाँ
don't
जी.
blur the name,
हाँ, हाँ,
like
हाँ.
beep out the name, but you can let the
Let
this
people
thing-
guess.
Yeah, let people guess.
All right.
But this is
Hmm.
actually a very true story.
Hmm,
And
hmm,
this has happened. I've just given you one example.
Right.
This has happened with multiple brands.
I have seen ki cafes they come and go in like
Yeah.
months in Chandigarh.
Yeah.
So is this a good idea to open up a cafe in Chandigarh today?
You can, if you put it in the right place, in the right market, you can.
What is the right place in the right market? What matlab in that sense, if we talk about the Tri-City area,
Mhm.
Panchkula, Chandigarh, Mohali, I feel like Chandigarh is known for those Instagrammable cafes.
Yeah.
Lekin Mohali में in phase 7, 3v2, they are more like takeaway chains, chai chuli type of things.
But
So,
that's their market.
हाँ हाँ हाँ
हाँ.
हाँ. तो मतलब if someone wants to open up a cafe, तो what is the best place to open up in Tri-City?
Right now, something say like Homeland, HLP Galeria,
ठीक है, हाँ, that
all
area.
of these chains,
Right.
because people are shifting towards these. Like I
Hmm.
feel Jubilee Junction is a great market.
Right.
Jubilee Walk is a great market.
Right.
So these are brands that are doing really well. Like Chandigarh, Mohali, Panchkula audience are pretty much saturated, I can say,
Hmm.
from 26, 7,
Hmm.
Sector 8. They wanted something new.
Right.
That is the whole reason that the Mohali market has picked up so much
The
suddenly.
airport road market.
Yes, the
Right.
airport road market.
Hmm.
All of these areas have picked up because people were bored of going on the same Gedi route.
Right, सही बात है.
Yes.
So there's a new Giri route.
Yes.
Mohali
Now,
is the
now
new
I
Giri
believe
route.
Mohali and Chandigarh have become a Gedi route.
हाँ.
But I also feel Panchkula is one market that people need to explore.
It's very underrated, I guess.
It's
Panchkula,
underrated.
कोई
They
नहीं.
have decent cafes. They have decent joints, like food joints and stuff. But they're very underrated compared
Right.
to Mohali and Chandigarh because all the real estate being dominant in this sector,
Right.
these sectors have picked up a lot.
A lot.
Way more than what we would
Hmm.
have normally expected.
Right.
Yes.
But in Tri-City में people mostly talk about Chandigarh and Mohali.
Yeah.
Panchkula is very less talked about.
Panchkula, they've made it like the stepsister.
They don't
Like-
want.
like, It's far.
they
we
don't
can't
want PR.
go.
They don't want PR. कि ठीक है हम. They're okay.
That's why I said, na,
हाँ.
it's the stepsister.
हाँ.
Avoid it till not required.
Right. They are chill with where
Yeah.
they are. Okay. हाँ, but also why has Chandigarh become such a hub for cafes and restaurants? क्यों यहाँ पे इतने आ रहे हैं?
जैसे मैंने आपको पहले कहा चंडीगढ़ के लोगों की पेइंग कैपेसिटी मार्केट में अब पता लगनी शुरू हुई है.
बट मेरे हिसाब से जो कॉलेजेस हैं लाइक वी हैव एसडी, पंजाब यूनिवर्सिटी, चंडीगढ़ यूनिवर्सिटी, चितकारा, उस कारण भी देयर आर अ लॉट ऑफ क्राउड इन दोस
See,
कैफे.
youth always escalates things. I feel youth is a key player.
राइट.
Why do you think all our politicians and everybody is going for creator summits? You know, you
Youth.
have the answer. I
Right.
do not need to make another statement on that. So it's a very underrated market. Youth is a very underrated niche.
राइट.
Yes.
समझ गया. Okay. If I tell you to compare between Delhi, Mumbai and Chandigarh
Hmm.
in brands, in cafes and restaurants, in food brands, what is the best place you have worked in and what has the best environment in those things?
Best place worked in as in?
Like if I worked with premium brands in
Hmm.
Delhi and Chandigarh, which feels better for you to work?
I feel all of the markets are working beautifully.
Hmm.
They have their own audience. You literally can't compare.
Okay.
You can't compare because Delhi is very different. Like people are there on like traveling half of the time on their everyday basis.
Uh-huh.
So maybe by the time they go home, they're done for the day. So they
Hmm.
want to sit at a cafe every day
Hmm.
before going, or maybe eat out.
All right.
That makes their life easier.
Hmm.
But Chandigarh, people enjoy home food also. Like they like, as much as they would like to party outside somewhere, they would love a house party at the same time.
House say right.
Like they would like to experiment.
Right.
Because Chandigarh traffic is not that big of an issue
Hmm.
as much as it would have it is in Delhi or Bombay.
I
So
feel like
here people like to experiment.
right. I feel like Delhi life is fast, but
Yeah.
their cafe life is slow, whereas Chandigarh life is slow, but cafe life is fast.
Yes, yes,
The
I agree on
transition,
that. I second that thought.
right, right.
Because it is actually how it is. Because
Hmm.
here people get to experiment a lot,
Hmm.
try a lot.
Hmm.
That is why an average, food chains timeline would be say an year or 2 years
Huh,
max.
right.
And then they would need to change the menu or
Hmm.
market it better.
Hmm.
Somehow they would need something like that.
Follow the trends.
Yes, follow the trends.
जैसे रिसेंटली कोरियन वाला आया था, तो दे आर मेनी कैफेज ओपन, बट शायद
Yeah.
वो भी खत्म होने वाले हैं बिकॉज द
हाँ.
ट्रेंड इज गॉन.
Yeah,
Huh.
I saw so many street food reels also going viral on Korean trends.
Right,
But
right,
then,
right.
if you relate to it,
Hmm.
great. But if you can't, like I am someone who doesn't relate to
Right.
that kind of stuff.
Hmm.
I can watch a show, but I cannot eat Korean food. Like
Right.
I would need my ghar ka khana, my dal chawal, my
हाँ जी.
roti, my protein. That's how I like my
हाँ.
life. So if you can't relate to it, you won't be able to take it
Yeah, take
forward.
it. Right. Uh, I would now come to real estate. हमने बात की चंडीगढ़ की,
हाँ जी.
and I would come to Tri-City again.
Yes.
If someone has to open up a commercial space here,
Right.
shopping, food, anything, any kind of commercial space, तो
Right.
Tri-City में सबसे best area कौन सा है in your opinion?
ओके,
Hmm.
सो ट्राई सिटी में इस टाइम सबसे बेस्ट अगर मैं रियल एस्टेट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से
Hmm.
देखूं, आई फील HLP Galleria because
Where Chili's opened recently.
yes, Chili's,
Right.
PF Chang's.
Hmm.
So we are also doing the PR for
Ah,
PF Chang's, right?
Shout
Just
out to PF
pitching it
Changs.
very slowly. Right?
Huh.
So yeah. So what HLP is a very street style market.
Hmm.
Yet it's very well located.
Right.
Like it's near to Chandigarh, not very far.
Hmm.
Secondly, the street style concept is very new to
Right.
Chandigarh people.
Right.
Sector 17 tried to do that in the middle,
Hmm.
but they couldn't pick up on the trend.
Hmm.
But HLP has, and they've made it look very niche, if
Right.
I can say it like
Right.
that.
Right.
So that, in my opinion, is
Hmm.
an upcoming good market. Apart from that, I believe that Phoenix Mall is coming. So
Phoenix Mall. Right.
yes, so they can pick up on a good trend because they also are on the Chandigarh Mohali border.
Hmm.
So very nearby. Works well for both the cities.
Right.
If something is on a Chandigarh Mohali border, it is also closer to Panchkula.
Panchkula. Right.
So for the Tri-City sector, and Phoenix being a big chain, I'm expecting them to get good brands on board.
Right.
So I'm so sure that they will be able to pull off that.
Hmm.
And Elante, on the other hand, because it's been there,
Hmm.
like it's a long journey that they've done. So people pretty much want to experiment now. They
Experiment
want
now.
to see new places, visit
Right.
new places. Like I feel when you see food as a sector specifically,
Hmm.
Jubilee Junction, Jubilee Walk is
Hmm.
also doing very good.
All right. What do you feel about Phase 7 3B2?
They're more like street style markets.
Hmm.
Like personally, the kind of person I am not comfortable going there.
Hmm.
So
From a real estate point of view.
from a real estate point of view, if you're just, buying stuff
Hmm.
and trading,
Hmm.
it's perfect. It's a great market.
Hmm.
But if you're not trading and if you're sitting in the market, like,
Hmm.
I would ask you to give it a second thought because,
Hmm.
people are pretty much done with that. They want that newness.
Hmm.
Traditional brands can work very well.
Right.
Traditional in the sense like brands that have been running
Hmm.
and that have already created a market.
Right.
So
Right.
they can keep working well.
Hmm.
But otherwise, if you consider the youth sector, then you consider like adult people, they want that new things.
Right. This is the personality of Tri-City, right? It's
Yeah.
experimenting.
Yeah.
Aajkal, in
And
every
I
field.
think this is
Huh.
so good.
Right.
That is what is making Chandigarh a great market for
Right.
brands also.
Right.
Because people here have the potential
Hmm.
to, pick up on trends.
Right.
Then they're okay experimenting.
Hmm.
And they're okay, seeing and trying new things. That
Right.
is very important.
Right.
If you as a city or as a country, state, you do not have that trying capacity, you would never be able to outgrow your older
Right.
situations.
बिल्कुल सही.
So
Agree.
change is the only constant,
Right.
if we can put it like that.
बिल्कुल सही बात है.
Hanji.
Talking about change, if someone invests in a property today here in Tri-City, including New Chandigarh, Kurali, that
Yeah.
area,
Hmm.
what is the best place to invest ताकि 2 साल में you get good returns, the best return in 2 years?
I think New Chandigarh.
न्यू चंडीगढ़.
New Chandigarh,
Okay.
Mohali Airport Road is still thriving,
Hmm.
but then I feel New Chandigarh has great potential.
The commercial is also coming there.
Commercials
Gamada
also
commercial.
coming there, lot of new brands,
Hmm.
and it is an upcoming market. When you see Airport Road, it's saturated to a
Right.
level like you're always stuck in traffic.
Hmm.
But New Chandigarh situation is better.
Very better.
It's like much better.
हाँ,
There's
हाँ.
hardly any traffic or something. You reach in time,
Right.
and it is actually the Gurgaon to Delhi, like that
Alright.
kind of a situation, like how
Got it.
Chandigarh
हाँ जी.
के लिए है न्यू
मोहाली.
चंडीगढ़, है
हाँ,
ना,
हाँ जी.
वैसे ही दिल्ली के लिए जैसे गुड़गांव है, वैसे ही चंडीगढ़ के लिए न्यू
न्यू
चंडीगढ़
चंडीगढ़
है.
है.
हाँ,
ठीक है.
एंड इक्वली गुड ब्रांड्स,
हम्म,
सेम
हम्म.
सिमिलर नोट, बेटर, क्लीनर,
Right.
and I think in the upcoming time it will be more vibrant.
Hmm.
We have so many, if you see all the celebrity concerts
हाँ जी.
in recent times, न्यू चंडीगढ़,
Hmm.
real estate
हाँ.
boom,
न्यू
न्यू
चंडीगढ़.
चंडीगढ़.
न्यू चंडीगढ़.
मतलब न्यू चंडीगढ़ is going to be the next airport road, I believe, like in the
Hmm.
cost part, commercial part, great investments, great returns.
Right.
So it's a good mark.
हाँ. अगर एक साल पहले हम देखते तो न्यू चंडीगढ़ में सिर्फ रेजिडेंशियल था.
Yes.
बट नाउ कमर्शियल्स हैव बीन कमिंग टू न्यू चंडीगढ़. गमाडा ने
हाँ.
अभी अनाउंस किया है 200 acres of commercial in न्यू चंडीगढ़. So that's a
Yes.
very great thing.
Yes, and it's great. Like I believe there should be malls, there should be good markets
हाँ.
that should come up.
That is lacking in न्यू चंडीगढ़ in my opinion. अगर
Yes.
वो आ जाए तो it is the best place ever.
Because अभी जितने brands हैं जो real estate dominant brands हैं, उन्हीं के पास markets,
Right.
outlets हैं. Otherwise जब अब commercial land जब गमाडा लेके आया है,
जी 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 जी.
and when the malls and new markets come up, it would add another boom to New Chandigarh.
Right.
बहुत
The
अच्छी
next
market होगी,
boom.
and it will give people great returns if they are
Right.
planning for investment.
Got it.
Yes.
न्यू चंडीगढ़ की बात होगी. I'd also like to talk about people who have a little less investment.
Okay.
किसी के पास अगर 50 लाख है,
हाँ.
50, 60, 70 lakhs and they want to invest in this area, तो where should they invest?
In New Chandigarh area you're talking about?
नहीं, in the whole Tri-City, खरड़, कुराली, बनूर, all those areas.
तो मैं उनको सजेस्ट करूंगी कि वो थोड़ा आउटर पे इन्वेस्ट करें,
कुराली साइड.
कुराली साइड इन्वेस्ट करें, क्योंकि वहां पे अभी आपका अगर कॉस्टिंग ये है
राइट.
तो वो वहां पे वर्क करेगा. मोहाली हैज ऑलरेडी वो एक इतना टॉप पॉइंट पे पहुंच चुका है, पर स्क्वायर फीट रेट है, कुछ भी है, बहुत ज्यादा ऑलरेडी अप है.
हाँ.
हाउ डू यू
बाइंग कैपेसिटी नहीं
बाइंग
हो सकती.
कैपेसिटी कैसे होगी? 50 lakhs में व्हाट कैन यू बाय?
नहीं.
और पंजाब में जितनी मार्केट मैंने रियल एस्टेट की आज तक अंडरस्टैंड किया, इतने कम अमाउंट में आपको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. आई अंडरस्टैंड इट्स नॉट कम, बट रियल एस्टेट के लिए ये एक बहुत ही स्मॉल, एक माइनर अमाउंट है.
बिल्कुल सही बात.
मतलब एटलीस्ट आई वुड थिंक कि यू हैव अ one crore, then that is where you can plan for a decent investment to give you a decent revenue over a period of time.
Right.
Not immediately. Because जितनी छोटी इन्वेस्टमेंट है, ROI भी कम है.
ROI भी कम है. सही बात है, बिल्कुल सही बात है. तो डू यू थिंक इट्स अ गुड थिंग कि इतना रेट बढ़ रहा है इन मोहाली? बिकॉज इट इज आई थिंक ओवरबोर्ड राइट नाउ. इतना नहीं होना चाहिए.
देखो, आई विल टेल यू 2-3 थिंग्स. एक, यहाँ पे हाईवेज आ रहे हैं.
हाँ जी.
मोहाली साइड भारतमाला एक्सप्रेस
जी,
वे
right,
इज
right.
ऑलरेडी देयर, है ना. उसके अलावा इंडस्ट्रियल क्लस्टर्स बहुत है, बहुत अच्छा एक IT सेक्टर है, बहुत सारे और सेक्टर्स है. अब न्यू चंडीगढ़ में पूरी मेडिसिटी है.
राइट.
तो मतलब इतना कुछ एड ऑन है ना. तो चंडीगढ़ नॉर्थ के, हरियाणा, हिमाचल, इन सारे जम्मू कश्मीर जैसे स्टेट्स के लिए एक हब है, सेंटर है.
राइट.
जब आप, अब दिल्ली सेंटर है पूरे इंडिया का, मतलब
हाँ
नॉट
जी.
सेंटर इन द सेंस ऑफ अ मैप, बट लाइक आवर
बिजनेस
कैपिटल,
सेंटर.
business center.
राइट.
राइट. तो ऑब्वियसली वहां पे रियल एस्टेट बाय करना इज अ टास्क. बॉम्बे इज फाइनेंशियल कैपिटल, मुंबई इज फाइनेंशियल कैपिटल, रियल एस्टेट बाइंग इज अ टास्क.
राइट.
So Chandigarh is the new tier 1 city. Like I would say it's an upcoming tier 1 city.
राइट.
Like I can never now I cannot say that Chandigarh is a tier 2 city at all, because we are somewhere between the tier 2 and tier 1.
राइट.
तो upcoming है, हम लोग
Upcoming है.
पहुंच जाएंगे बहुत जल्दी. मतलब I
Development
have
हो रही
this
है अब.
full scope, like hope and scope.
राइट.
Like and I can see like इतना कुछ, जितने फास्ट पेस पे हमारे यहाँ रियल एस्टेट डेवलप हो रही है,
हाँ जी.
दैट इज द मेजर रीजन कि हमारे प्राइसेस एस्केलेट हो रहे हैं. एंड रियल एस्टेट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से दिस मार्केट इज क्रेजी, लाइक इट्स इन अ गुड वे.
राइट.
So I believe that the
बिल्कुल सही
prices are
बात है.
going absolutely fine, because we are an we are the center of a lot of things,
Hmm.
and for a lot of people and
Ajay.
states around us.
Right.
Like we have PGI is one of the best medical facilities all over India,
Hmm.
है ना. मैंने इतने लोग देखे हैं जो बाहर से अदर कंट्री से स्पेशली पीजीआई ट्रीट होने आता है.
सही बात है.
ठीक है.
Hmm.
हमारा डेंटल फैसिलिटी बहुत है. सो मेनी पीपल फ्रॉम लाइक फॉरेन कंट्रीज लाइक कनाडा, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, ऑल ऑफ आवर इंडियन रिलेटिव्स, दे स्पेशली कम फॉर डेंटल ट्रीटमेंट्स.
Right.
Like, what do you expect? When you're making us an epicenter, we better be like one, right? We
सही बात
better
है.
get that money also.
Right. Right. right.
And if us, city is getting treated like a
Hmm.
A-list city, why not?
Right.
It's good.
A lot of
It
things are
shows
happening
we
as
are
well.
we are
Hmm.
escalating,
Hmm.
and we have escalated. Secondly, Chandigarh is very well planned. This is actually not secondly. This should be the first
First one.
point.
Right.
Chandigarh is a very well planned city.
Hmm.
There is no second thought on
Hmm.
that.
Hmm.
So when people are getting the benefits of both, they're getting the benefit of being living in a well planned city,
Hmm.
less traffic, more better infrastructure, and everything. Why won't people prefer? I have
Right.
personally had real estate clients from Delhi
Hmm.
who are okay investing in Chandigarh.
They
And
prefer is investing in
they have
Chandigarh.
started taking apartments. They
Right.
want to shift when their jobs are done, like when probably they want to, they're saturated doing business.
Hmm.
They want to make Chandigarh their city.
Right.
Like they want to start living here. They like the ease of this city.
Hmm.
And it is beautiful. Like
Right.
I think there's nothing better than a local I can say about my city being so good.
Right.
Yeah.
It is great.
Yes.
Okay. Coming to the rapid fire round, I have
Oh, we have one.
हाँ, it is a rapid fire. Okay.
Okay.
Best city for nightlife: Chandigarh, Delhi, or Mumbai?
Mumbai.
Mumbai. Okay. Event management or restaurant business? What do you prefer more? What do you like doing more?
Events. I am a social person. I like socializing.
All right.
Yes.
Influencers or celebrities?
Influencers are the new age celebrities.
All right. Luxury brands or mass brands?
Luxury brands.
Luxury.
That's a personal choice. So please don't judge.
हाँ. Mohali or Chandigarh?
Till the time I'm doing real estate in both, I can't pick.
Okay.
I think
both.
Panchkula.
The stepsister.
The stepsister.
All right. One entrepreneur that you admire?
Shah Rukh Khan. I like him. I love him. Like, I feel there's no business person like him.
Acha.
He, when you see him as an actor, his persona is
Great.
beautiful.
Right.
But when you see him as a business person, he has amazed us with his VFX company,
Right.
Red Chilies. Then he has beautifully done IPL, all of the seasons.
Right.
And when you see an actor going leaps and bounds more than his acting ability and talent, that's when you know that this guy is the real entrepreneur.
He's the GOAT.
He is the GOAT.
All right. One brand that you want to work with? Dream brand.
How do I say it? No, I dream brand. I would think I would be a great brand face for any brand. This face card. Come on. You can't say no to it.
Right. Okay. I'll move to a segment I have created just for you.
Okay.
Business truths.
Okay.
Because you are a, multi
fascinating
type of personality. So, one truth about restaurants that people don't know.
If they are not marketed well, they won't survive, no matter
Alright.
what.
All right.
Good food can go to a limit.
All right. One truth about influencers people don't know.
That they're equally humans as a normal human. If you know, it's like sarcasm, but yeah, sweet sarcasm.
अरे बट आई डोंट थिंक कि जो उनकी वो पर्सनालिटी है ना, जैसे आप बता रहे हो कि पीपल द नॉर्मल पीपल दे डोंट नो अबाउट दोस पर्सनालिटीज, क्योंकि जब वो पब्लिक में जाते हैं दे हैव अ वेरी डिफरेंट फेस, क्योंकि वो बहुत पोलाइट हो जाते हैं एंड दे हाइड देयर रियल सेल्व्स आई गेस, क्योंकि दे डोंट वांट वल्नरेबिलिटीज टू बी देयर.
That is because our society has, accustomed us,
Right.
us to be like that. Like if you don't carry that aura, they will not
Right.
probably respect you
That's
like that.
necessary, right?
So that is the only reason that we create auras around us.
Right.
Like, I want to be known like this. Why? Like, why can't you be you?
Right.
It is about acceptance also.
Hmm.
People accept people who they think they can align with.
Hmm.
Otherwise, they will not accept you.
Right. Okay. One truth about events people don't know.
They cause anxiety. They cause a lot of anxiety to the person who is doing it.
To the organizer.
Yeah, to the organizer, to the host in
Huh.
all senses.
All right.
Yeah.
One truth about real estate business that people don't know about.
Um, that in India, Chandigarh is one of the greatest markets.
Hmm.
Chandigarh, Mohali, Panchkula, Punjab. When it comes to investment, great ROI.
Hmm.
Great ROI.
Hmm.
Yes.
All right. Final closing question for you.
Yes.
10 years from now, where do you see the NAS brand going?
Uh, I think firstly, thriving
Hmm.
and owning up to who I am
Hmm.
and breaking society norms always.
Arre.
That is my personality.
Huh.
I'm known for breaking norms
Hmm.
as a individual, as a person who know me personally, like the people who know me personally, they know I love breaking norms.
Hmm.
So you will always see me being that backbencher and breaking norms.
Huh.
Always.
Wow. That's a great closing line. Breaking norms with NAS. And it was really great having you here. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for visiting.
Thank you.
Thank
I
you.
had a great time. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.